Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since the last time I make a video when I was busy moving and with work and everything. But today I have something very special to show you. So the last couple of days I scrolled through the marketplace just to look for like random stuff to buy off the market, and I came across this really cool camera that I'm going to show you today. So this is the box, or I mean the case it came with. So fun fact, this camera is almost 50 years old, or I think it's actually 50 years old, and I have no idea if it's going to operate, but like the seller, he told me that he tests everything, so hopefully I can trust his words. Right, so let's dive into it. So you can see, so this is a really old like leather case. I think it came with that. So this is what's inside. Okay, we're going to hold on to this and put it to the side. So there's like a lot of really cool paperwork that came with the package itself. But the most intriguing thing is actually this piece right here. So this is the receipt or the warranty card from September 18, 1973. So yes, so this camera was purchased 50 years ago, and everything is still in here. So including this is like the map of like the place that serves the camera, and then you have the instruction on how to open and close it. And then it actually came with the flash module, so it's right here. I think it's right here. Yeah, so it's actually the flash for that camera. So then just a lot of like really old like vintage like stuff in here, but it's not that's not what we came here for. So let's actually move it to the side. So this is the camera. Potentially the first Polaroid as we know it, today. Let me do a quick, I'm gonna take it out for you. Oh. So yeah, this is it. It is very heavy. It's just metallic, not like the plastic like updated version. This is like the first XS70. I know this one has been discontinued in like 2013, 2016 or something, or correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, this is a 50 years old camera. And then to open it, you kind of have to do this, and then you just lift the whole thing up like this. And once you look at that, why don't you take a look at that? I am surprised by, how well like the owner like just preserved the camera. So this is made from leather. And there is literally no like mold or anything. I think it's been kept like pretty well. And then, so what I have here with me is the XS70 Polaroid. So at the end, I have never tested this camera out because the seller said like he already tested it, he already put it to work, and I'm just gonna take his word for it. All right, so let's unbox this. If I have like a really good way to do this. Yeah, brand new. And assumingly there's like a, batteries in here, so as soon as I put it inside, it's going to push out like the first layer. So here's how you open it. Right here. Let's see. So that's where you put the film in. So you slide it in here like this. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna close this. Holy shit. This is awesome. This is pretty cool. Okay, let me take a quick photo of it. I think the seller told me something about, okay, so setting the focus, and this is like how bright it is. I'm just gonna go for a little bit darker, exposed. Right here. Hope I get the focus right. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna focus on here. And then I'm gonna take it. What the heck? This is so cool. I think you have to wait for a little bit, shake it. But that was it, yeah. I was gonna wait for it to develop, but yeah. So to close this thing, you actually have to push it down right here and then just snap it down like this. Wow. So as to compare, with the size of this thing, so this thing is literally like, I have an iPhone 14, so this is kind of like it is. So I would say like it's very easy to carry around. You don't need like a special camera bag for it. So let's take a look at this vintage, catalogs, magazine, or whatever you call it. So this is actually how it looks like 50 years ago. Oh, this is actually how the lens reflected. Oh. Yeah. Some sample images, and then how, Yeah, overall it's pretty cool. And then one thing they noticed, so there's this like number right here that indicates like how many prints left. So a fun fact about this camera was that so the original package of the XX70, it had 10 total, but then the newer one, they only have like 8. So even though the counter says you got like maybe like 7 or 6 left, you basically only have like 5 or 4 left. So that's just, that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, so this is the first image. It's not entirely in focus. It was a little bit underexposed, so I can try and check a different one that's better. But so far, I'm loving the experience. All right, So that's it for today. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.